In this video, I'll show you how to change backgrounds using AI in just 1 minute. First, make sure your video is at least 3 seconds long before rendering it. Then go to Higgsfield.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see the interface like this. From the video section, select the Kling 01 edit model. Upload the video you want to edit. After that, simply write a prompt describing how you want the background to change. Wait a few moments, and your new edited video will be ready. And that's it, your background is fully transformed using AI. For more video editing tips and AI tricks, stay tuned.